墳，清明節我哋去拜山掃墳。
We go to visit and clean the graves during Qingming festival.
2. 詞，我唔見咗屋企鎖匙。
I lost my house keys.
3. 詞，你平時鍾意做啲咩？
What do you like to do in your free time?
4. 詞，今朝我遲咗起身。
I woke up late this morning.
5. 魚，我細佬好鍾意養魚。
My younger brother really likes keeping fish.
6. 門，出去嘅時候記得閂門。
Remember to lock the door when you go out.
7. 糖，我飲咖啡唔落糖。
I don't put sugar in my coffee.
8. 朋，佢係我最好嘅朋友。
She is my best friend.
1. 墳，清明節我哋去拜山掃墳。2. 時，我唔見咗屋企鎖匙。3. 時，你平時鍾意做啲咩？4. 時，今朝我遲咗起身。5. 魚，我細佬好鍾意養魚。6. 門，出去嘅時候記得閂門。7. 糖，我飲咖啡唔落糖。8. 朋，佢係我最好嘅朋友。